Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. Jacksepticeye PewDiePie, Markiplier. Alright, so basically, I made this giant ass boat. It took me a good minute, and I used this paint from Butlertron's Building Plus mod to kind of give it a little bit of a polish. This guy flying around right here is Beta Elder. I'm in a private currently, so anyways, there's a little building right here, and inside right here, another inside right here with the second floor, and I'm still building it. So there's gonna be a little tip right here, like usually how a boat is. It's gonna be like a cone tip. It goes like this. And it's built on two separate giant blocks, which is why the bottom side is like fucking made of ice or some shit. Yeah. See ya.